Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we are testing every single mask on the internet. And today we are looking at the Dr. Talbot's Pack of 10 Kids Mask. That's right, Dr. Talbot. We are coming for your medical degree. If you are indeed a real doctor. I use that joke a lot, but I like it. Let's put this in the clamp. The key to jokes is to use the same ones over and over again so that you are the only one laughing. This is the most involved I've ever been in a clamp. I need this thing to be wireless. It's like a Alexa, clamp. All right, let's let her rip. This is a PFE machine, particulate filtration efficiencies machine. Easy for you to say, Lloyd. Check out that link if you want to learn more about that, because this tongue twister is just getting started because we're looking at a kid's mask today. That's right. Dr. T, little bag. I've seen these at, not Walgreens, but, at the checkout aisle at grocery stores when I'm cheating on HEB. That's right. We're traveling in another state. Dr. Talbot's disposable kids face mask. Girls 2 to 5 years. It's weird. Oh, see, I got sharks. Amazon does this. Soft ear loops are designed not to pull on little ears. Aw, that's cute. Okay, not making any claims there. Let's look at the box. So this is a bag, but again, it had a hang tag. It's made to be hung. Fun patterns and designs. Newbie, Dr. Talbot. International license. So they're not making any claims on here. All right. I like the, they're different designs. So we got a Sharky, and we got a little camouflage. It's pretty good construction. These are pretty expensive, so that's good. Ah, ow, that really hurt. God, I hope that doesn't come off on your kid's face. I wasn't pulling that much. I'm not pulling a lot, but it's a kid too. Kids pull. Ow, dang it. Let's try this on. I want to see if it's going to pull off. Yeah, that's not good. I'm going to give these ear loops because they really hurt when they come off. My kid would cry, and then the cry where they and they hold their breath and they're like, and the biggest cry ever is coming because they're holding their breath and they're about to scream, and then it comes and you're kind of laughing at them because it's like, dude, this is not the end of the world, okay? But they think it is. That's what's going to happen. Well, I'm not going to guarantee it, but that could happen with this mask. I could see it. All right, let's try it on my face and get a smell out of this. Oh, nose wire. Nose wire alert. Wee-oo, wee-oo. Ah, it's plastic. No, this is bad. So the reason why these are bad, unless you're going in an MRI, and I've showed this before, but see that? Look at that gap there. As my daughter would say, that's how the COVID gets in, Dad. That's right. I would not recommend this mask, just based on the construction. That's pretty terrible. I'm going to give, I'm going to give him a 0 on construction. That's really bad. I expect more from you, Dr. Talbot. And I got to say, just as a criticism myself, it's hard to be critical when wearing a shark mask. All right, let's do the smell. Okay, I'm going to call this a toy boat made from a newspaper. Yeah. Do you remember newspapers? It's fine. They're a thing. Smells okay. It's not overpowering. I've definitely seen worse with kids' masks. Probably 20 out of 25 on that, but the construction's terrible otherwise. All right. And the big reveal, which I didn't time it right with the clickies. 90.389. Not the worst kids' mask that I've seen. 90.389. I've definitely seen worse. I think there was the Nickelodeon mask. Paw Patrol mask was like 70 or something like that. But yeah, this is not good. There's so many better masks out there. There's a bunch of American-made masks that make masks for kids. More breathable. This is a 88.1 pascals, so it's not terrible. It's good, but for a kid's mask, it could be more breathable with the non-nose wire and with the ear loops that are nearly guaranteed to make your kids cry. I mean, if you want to see your kid cry, if you hate your child, you should buy this mask. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you like this, you know what? Do me a favor. Stick around to the next video. You can fast forward to the end. I don't care. I won't know. I'll know. I check the logs. I'm watching you. See you on the next mask. Thanks.